Happy Sunday, guys. I just got out the shower, so I'm doing my skincare. But we're about to do a box opening. But yeah, I'm going to do my skincare first, and then we're going to get into this box opening. But yeah, it's Sunday. Very chill. Very great day so far. Look at Mari. Hey, Mama Toot. He doesn't know what to think. But yeah, how are we feeling the braids? This is the first time I had braids in my adult life. I had them like maybe once as a kid, but that's been a minute. Oh, so I use this Milkshake Beak 1802. It's a toner. Now I'm about to go in with the Philosophy Vitamin C Serum. It's a firming serum and peptides and vitamin C. I hope you guys can hear me okay. I hope you guys can hear me because this is my first time using my Osmo Pocket 3. And I've been having it for like 2 months now. Yeah. But it's time to get back on my Zoom. Oh, another thing I've added to my skincare is whatever I do to my face, I gotta do to my neck. And why did I see a video the other day talking about adding your chest? I'm like, oh my god, something else for me to do.
How would you react to it? There's nothing.
What moisturizer do I want to use? I switch up my moisturizer like every day for the most part. But my favorite moisturizers, I have the little minis of these Tatcha moisturizers. So this is the water cream, which is lightweight hydration, pore refining. The silk cream, weightless and firming. This is the indigo overnight repair serum and cream, soothing Japanese indigo. I don't know, but I love them all. Like, these are my favorite moisturizer right now. They're my favorite, like, out of all the moisturizers that I use, these are the ones, okay? These are the ones. I think I'm gonna go with the water cream. I think this is my favorite out of the 3. They're all great, but I don't know. I guess it's like the water cream and then it's pore refining, and my pores have gotten so small. Like, I don't know if you can tell, and I don't really have a before, but a little bit more. Like I said, whatever you do to your face, you do to your neck and maybe your chest too. Next, my next favorite thing outside of those moisturizers, this sunscreen, which most of the writing is off of it because I've been using it, so it done rubbed off and everything. Absolutely love this sunscreen and has been the most important thing of my skincare routine that has changed my skin so much. I would say between obviously having the vitamin C serum to brighten any dark spots or to stop them from being dark with any new pimples or blemishes, whatever, and going in with this sunscreen, dynamic duo, okay? Dynamic duo. You need you a vitamin C and you need sunscreen. Like, if you're not using sunscreen, I don't know what you're doing, because now your skincare is like in vain. I think they have like a glowy one. Yeah, they have the glowy one. I think this is the matte one. You can do it, like, you can reapply it over your makeup. So if you don't have sunscreen, I'd say this is the go-to. Get this one, the Abib or whatever. I would have did some before pictures, but I wasn't really anticipating my skin to change as much. I mean, anytime you add a new product, I mean, sure, that's what your hopes are, to better your skin. But I just didn't really think anything of it. But it has improved so much. Okay, let's get into this box opening now. I ordered some nail art supplies, some nail tech supplies from Amazon because I'm going to start doing my own nails, okay? So we do not have to rely on a nail tech and having to find one every so often. Okay? We're going to do our own nails at home. Okay, so this is the last thing that I ended up ordering because I like nail charms and stuff. So I got a whole bunch of charms, nail art, like Hawaii nails type things. This is the Macart glue for nail art and rhinestone glue. The 3D gel nail art where they be doing like little, I don't know, like the little lines and stuff on top of the nail and it'd be like clear stuff. And then I got this little set to, you know, clip, nail trimmer, and then the tools to push back and make your cuticles neat and beautiful. And I got all of my nail supplies and stuff from Macart. I think it's Macart Pro. Yeah. So this is their brush cleaner. It's the Macart Pro mini acrylic nail kit. And it has 2 cover acrylics. So like a clear and a pink silk, bond, prep, top coat, brush, nail file, buffer block, monomer, dap and dish, nail tips, and nail glue. All in this little mini kit for beginners and just to get you started. So the nail tips, I don't know if you can really see it, but nail tips. The little buff block. This is the dab and dish. Well, actually, I'm just gonna put it all in one video. Like, I'm not gonna just take it. I'm gonna wait till I open it and then I'll lay it out and then I'll show it. This is the nail drill that I went with. I'm gonna open it and I'm gonna open it and lay everything out so you can see everything fully. But this is the nail drill. And then the lamp to dry the nails. And I think it's gonna be super, super cute. But I'm about to lay everything out so you guys can see it all. There's everything laid out. I'm so excited to get started. I've tried doing my nails once before and I did okay, but this time I'm gonna take it really serious. So who knows, Christian based nail tech, book with me, okay?